Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DS Tech. Today we will learn that how to use sketch driven pattern. Okay, so let's get started. For the sketch driven pattern, we should have a solid geometry. Okay, which I have already created. So other than solid geometry, we should have a feature or body which need to be pattern and a sketch. Okay, so first of all we will create a sketch for sketch driven pattern. Okay, so let's create. Okay guys, now we will create a points where we need to pattern. Okay guys, our sketch is done for the sketch driven pattern. Okay, Now we will create a body which need to be pattern by following this sketch. Okay, so click on feature, then extrude boss, select this face. Okay, now we will click on sketch driven pattern. Okay, selection, we will select this sketch. Okay, then we will select a feature which we have created for the pattern. Okay, click on centroid. You can see our pattern, sketch driven pattern is ready, as you can see in the preview. Okay, now click on OK. Where I put the points, their body has been patterned. Okay, just like this you can use the sketch driven pattern. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.